In this video, I want to share with you a new GPT that I made for my school community that is in the astrology niche. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that new astrology GPT, just want to do a quick sales update for merch-on-demand. So today is Friday, April 18th, 6:31 a.m. in the morning. Already got one sale. Yesterday was a pretty good day. I did 30 sales and $77 in royalties. To be honest, I thought it was going to be a much bigger day because I had a really good morning. I was up at like $50 by, noon. But then the afternoon and evening was just kind of dead. But that's just how it goes sometimes. Maybe I ran out of ad spend. But that's going to put me at 518 sales for the month and $1,372 for the month of April. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. So yesterday I made a really fun GPT in the astrology niche for my school community. And if you're not in my school community, you can sign up for free. I'm offering a free 7-day trial. You get access to all my GPTs and 4 daily niches with prompts. I put out some really good niches this morning. But where you can access the GPT is in the classroom section. And you don't have to engage to get access to these prompts and all this stuff in the classroom. I know people are busy with life and work, and some people just don't have time to actually engage. So when you sign up, you just get access to all these GPTs. I'm up to, I think, 17 or 18 now. I actually have to put them on the second page here. So it's this one right here, which I named Astrology Niche Assistant. You can kind of watch the video or read the description. Right here is where you get access to the link. So you want to click on that. And so like I said, I named it Astrology Niche Assistant, and what it does, it helps you blend or cross niche any niche with the astrology niche for t-shirt design ideas. Now, I always put disclaimers on these GPTs just to make sure to always double check your keywords for trademarks. The GPT does know not to use anything that is trademarked and also knows what the terms of service are for merch on demand, but it is not perfect and it can make mistakes. So just always double check your keywords. But so what you can do is here, you can just type in a niche, one that you think would work well with the astrology niche. You can, if you can't think of anything, you can just ask it, can you recommend me something? What I like to do is I like to go to Merch Dominator and just type in a niche and see kind of what would work well. So, the next astrology shine is going to be Taurus. It's from April 20th to May 20th. And so I just typed in Taurus here for Merch Dominator, product search, featured, hit Merch by Amazon. And I'm just looking for a niche that I think would work well with this sign, with this astrology sign. And the first thing that I noticed, on this first row, because I'm looking for duplicates, repetition, right away I'm seeing 3 African American women niches. And then if I scroll down again right here, I'm actually going to see another one right here. So right away I can see that that is a niche that could work well. So let's go ahead and use that as an example for this video. So I'm just going to go back here to the GPT, and I'm just going to type in, let me pause it real quick. Okay, so I just typed in African American woman plus Taurus, and let's see what it gives us. Now, the way that I set it up is to first kind of tell us why this is a good niche, why it makes sense. So right here, we're going to see, number one, why this niche works with an astrology theme. Taurus energy is all about earth, sensuality, self-love, stability, and indulgence and beauty, which aligns beautifully with the cultural power and aesthetic expression often celebrated in African American womanhood. And then the second section, which is probably my favorite, or one of my favorites besides the prompts, is that it gives us these 10 t-shirt design ideas. Me, I'm not the most creative person, so I really like how this GPT helps me with that, because it gives us design ideas, phrases, and how to design for it. So right here, we're going to see Black Venus in Taurus, a celestial goddess with afro curls shaped like constellations. I would have never thought of anything like that. Rooted in richness, a Taurus bull made of gold jewelry. Don't know how to say that. Cowrie shells and vines. Divine Earth Mama, barefoot woman with locks standing strong on a lush green planet. Okay, that's a pretty cool one. Taurus vibes. Melanin magic, star-studded Taurus symbol wrapped in kente cloth. I bloom in my own season. Taurus woman emerging from rose quartz and sunflowers. Okay, so that could be a really cool one. But you can see here, you just have some really good ideas. It gives you 10 of them. Built like a bull, soft like Shay, if I'm saying that right. Mix of Taurus strength and beauty rituals. So that's really cool. And then the third section is going to give us just 10 quotes. So maybe you want to just do like, just text designs. That's why I added just the quotes in here, because some people just like to do text designs. So right here, it's just going to give us some quotes. So Taurus queen, steady, strong, and stunning. Okay, that's a good one. Soft life is written in the stars. My aura smells like cocoa butter and patience. Rooted in earth, raised in royalty. She moves like Venus, but fights like a bull. Okay, so that's a cool one. So some really good quotes right here. I think this could work well. I think the shorter, these text designs are, the better. Grounded, golden, glorious. But then it's going to give us some emotional and aesthetic impasse analysis. So it's like kind of giving us some more information on how to design for this niche. So this niche pairing feels rich, soulful, feminine, and fierce. It resonates emotionally through empowerment, soft power, aesthetic sensuality, and grounded spirituality. And it's going to give us 10 target audience. So these are people who we want to target. These are keywords that we want to use in our metadata, our title, our brand, our bullet 1, bullet 2, and description. And you can also use some of these keywords if you're running ads. So African American woman born under Taurus sun, moon, or rising. Black owned astrology apparel brands, natural hair and beauty enthusiasts, spiritual self-care communities, fashionists, etc., etc. And then we have 10 font recommendations. So maybe you don't use AI or ideogram. Maybe you make your own designs on, Illustrator or something like that. Here's going to give us 10 font recommendations. And let's see if there's anyone that I recommend, or I'm sorry, let's see if there's anyone that I recognize. So this one right here, this Playfair display. Pretty sure I've used that one before. I don't recognize any of the other ones. Actually, this one, Monerstat, that rings a bell. But you get some good font ideas. And it's going to give us some color ideas. Oh, and for like this font one and for this color one, you can actually take these fonts and these color schemes or suggestions, and you can put them into your prompt to get the design that you want. But here's some color style. So earthy greens, deep browns and gold accents, rose quartz pinks with creamy neutrals, mate black with gold foil print. So some good color suggestions right there. And then I really like this part that I added into the instructions, which is 10 graphic or clip art suggestions. So we got Taurus glyph with hoop earrings or gold chains, celestial black woman with stars in her afro. Okay, that's really cool. Bull horns morphing into floral crowns or afro puffs. Hands holding a glowing crystal Taurus symbol. So some good clip art suggestions right there for your designs. And then probably my favorite, or my second favorite, is going to be the prompts. So I suggested that it gives us 3 prompts. If you want, you can ask it for more, but I thought 3 were good. Let's take a look and see how these came out. So a celestial African American woman with locks flowing like vines, standing grounded on an earth-shaped Taurus glyph. She's barefoot, surrounded by rose quartz, sunflowers, and floating stars. Font is Playfair display with script overlay that reads rooted, radiant, Taurus queen. Okay, that sounds really cool. And the colors are rich browns, golden yellows, and dusty pinks. So you can see it's taken some of the stuff from up here and put it into this nice prompt for us. Then we got the second one, bold silhouette of a curvy black woman with gold bull horns and hoop earrings. Her skin glows with a soft cocoa shimmer. Surrounding her are jars of shea butter, cowrie shells, and a pastel cosmic background. Quote in Monerstat bold and Clementine script. Okay, so another good one right there. It's actually you can see the quote in the actual, for the design is right here next to the number, built like a bull, soft like Shay. And these are actually, if we go back to the top here, it's getting the suggestions from right here, from these 10 t-shirt design ideas. So you can see you got some really good prompts right there. And then it gives you a wrap-up question. So would you like me to help you turn one of these into a mock-ups or create matching designs for other zodiac signs with the same niche theme? So like me, I'm Sagittarius. So, that's a niche I kind of know out of, the best out of all of them. So maybe I want to do like some Sagittarius designs. You can do that. And I just want to show you real quick how some prompts actually came out. So I was just kind of playing with this before I started recording the video, and here are some designs that I got from the GPT. So I think this one turned out really nice. Earth by birth, cosmic by calling. I think just the colors look really cool. The next one is going to be, I like this one as well. You got the woman with the bull horns coming out like the Taurus bull. That's what the Taurus sign is. Stubborn, stylish, sensational. I thought that was a really nice one. And look at the eyes with the green like that. And then this last one right here, I also really like, very sensual with the black woman. And she's got the Taurus sign behind her. And look how, you know, her feet are like rooted into the ground. I thought that was a really good one as well. So that is the Astrology GPT that I got for you. If you want access to it, it is in my SKOOL community. There's going to be a link in the description. But basically, you can sign up for free, give it a free 7-day trial. If you click on the About section, actually the link will take you to the About section. You can watch the video to see like who this is for. It's basically for like merch on demand sellers, Etsy sellers, even KDP sellers. So if you're one of those, you're probably going to get some value from this SKOOL course. You get prompts, or you get niches and prompts every day, access to all my GPTs. And also, you know, it's just a very positive community where everybody is, you know, supporting you, trying to help you get results. It's not like a Facebook group where you ask a question, you get these smart ass remarks. Here are some of the results that some of my members are getting. It's like right here, the sales performance in March was the highest so far this year. Let's see. And almost all the sales came from your niche. Let's see, this one right here was a pretty cool one. Testimonial. Doesn't want to click on it. What's going on? Oh, it's the next one. There we go. So thank you. Thanks to you, to more than 100 sales that I get is from the niches that you gave us. So just some good testimonials right here. So if you're interested, link is in the description. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free YouTube content for you guys. That's going to be the video for today. Watch this one right above my head. It's going to be about a GPT that I made for how to list your design on Merch on Demand. It will create you a very, you know, SEO rich title, brand, bullet 1, bullet 2, and description. Check it out right above here. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.